So we have two different methodologies of cooking. We have single and we have dual chambers. What's the difference and why is it important? Let's talk about it. With our single chambered units, the heat source is within the same chamber that you're cooking in. Why is that important? Well, when you build your fire, you are heating up the chamber and it's very intense. So for a traditional pizza, the ideal methodology is to use a single chambered oven. Based on the proximity to the heat source, it's going to cook faster on one side than the other. So you will need to rotate it. It's an older way of cooking that requires a little more hands-on use. Alternatively, a dual chambered unit has, as it's named, two chambers. One is the fire chamber where you build the fire. The heat runs through the walls, across the top, and out the chimney stack. So it acts much more like a convection oven. The heat is radiating from all directions, from the bottom, from the sides, from the top. And it allows you to not have any incredible hot spots. By not having these hot spots, it acts just like your convection oven. So if you want to bake breads, pastries, lasagna, this is the ideal oven for you. However, this convection oven can get up to 750 degrees. So it's the Swiss Army knife of cooking, if you will. It allows you to cook even with a convection fan, convecting all of the heat on multiple racks, or it even lets you cook pizza on multiple racks. It's completely up to you. But that's the difference between the two methodologies, single chambered and dual chambered. Each do their own very unique and specialty methodology of cooking, but they're both incredible. It's important to note that both single and dual chambered units are not only pizza ovens and not only baking ovens. These can do a myriad of recipes, from baking bread, pastries, desserts, pasta dishes, meats, and vegetables. They can cook everything. Do not lock into your mind that this is a unit solely for one methodology of cooking. Both units, whether dual or single, are constructed in a very similar way. They are all completely solid welded and insulated with 12 centimeters of rock-based wool. And that goes across the entirety of the oven. Whether it's the dual chamber, it goes across the panels, across the top, underneath. Our single chambered units are the same. It goes everywhere. They're completely enveloped in insulation. So they are very efficient and safe to use regardless of the temperature you're using it at.